Hello and welcome back to English Unlocked. I'm Lisa, and I'm so happy you are here with me again. This is episode 2. If you joined me in episode 1, you learned how to introduce yourself in English. If you haven't listened yet, you can go back and enjoy it after today's lesson. Today, we are going to talk about greetings like a native. That means how to say hello in English, how to greet people in different ways, and how to respond when someone greets you. By the end of this episode, you will know the most common greetings for friends, family, strangers, and even informal situations. You'll also know how to answer so your conversations feel natural. So let's begin. Why greetings are important. Think about it. When you meet someone, the very first words you say are your greeting. A greeting is like a door. If you open the door warmly, people feel happy to see you. If you greet people confidently, you make a good impression. And in English, there are many ways to say hello. We're going to learn them today. We'll start with formal greetings, then casual greetings, then time of day greetings. And of course, we will practice together. I'll say the greeting, then I'll say now your turn, so you know it's time to speak. Part 1. Formal greetings. Formal greetings are polite. They are good for work, school, or when you meet someone for the first time. Here are the most common ones. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How do you do? It's a pleasure to meet you. Let's practice together. Say it with me. Hello. Now your turn. Hello. Say good morning. Now your turn. Good morning. Say good afternoon. Now your turn. Good afternoon. Say good evening. Now your turn. Good evening. Say how do you do? Now your turn. How do you do? Say it's a pleasure to meet you. Now your turn. It's a pleasure to meet you. Beautiful. You already sound polite and professional. How to respond to formal greetings. If someone says hello, you can say hello back. If someone says good morning, you say good morning back. If they say how do you do, you also say how do you do. It's not really a question. It's just polite. If they say it's a pleasure to meet you, you can say it's a pleasure to meet you too. Let's practice. I'll greet you, and you answer, hello. Now your turn. Hello. Good afternoon. Now your turn. Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to meet you. Now your turn. It's a pleasure to meet you too. Great job. Part 2. Casual greetings. Casual greetings are for friends, family, and people you know well. Here are some examples. Hi. Hey. Hi there. How are you? What's up? How's it going? Long time no see? Nice to see you. Let's say them together. Say hi. Now your turn. Hi. Say hey. Now your turn. Hey. Say hi there. Now your turn. Hi there. Say how are you? Now your turn. How are you? Say what's up? Now your turn. What's up? Say how's it going? Now your turn. How's it going? Say long time no see. Now your turn. Long time no see. Say nice to see you. Now your turn. Nice to see you. Wonderful. You're doing so well. How to respond to casual greetings. If someone says, "How are you?" you can answer, "I'm fine, thanks." "I'm good." "I'm great." "Not bad." If someone says, "What's up?" you can say, "Not much, just relaxing." "I'm doing okay." Let's practice responding. Lisa, "Hey, how's it going?" "Now your turn. I'm good." Lisa, "Hi there. Long time no see." "Now your turn. Nice to see you too." Lisa, "What's up?" "Now your turn." "Not much." Nice. You're sounding friendly and natural. Part 3. Time of Day Greetings. In English, we often greet people differently, depending on the time of day. Morning, good morning. Afternoon, good afternoon. Evening, good evening. Let's say them together. Good morning. Now your turn. Good morning. Good afternoon. Now your turn. Good afternoon. Good evening. Now your turn. Good evening. Cultural note. You don't need to be too strict about this. Hi or hello works any time of day. But time of day greetings sound polite and friendly, especially in formal situations. Practice mixed greetings. I'll say a greeting. You respond naturally. Lisa, good morning. Now your turn. Good morning. Lisa, hey. Now your turn. Hey. Lisa, it's a pleasure to meet you. Now your turn. It's a pleasure to meet you too. Lisa, how are you? Now your turn. I'm fine, thanks. Lisa, what's up? Now your turn. Not much. Perfect. Extra role play, short conversations. Let's do mini dialogues. I'll be person A. You be person B. Lisa, hello, how are you today? Now your turn. I'm good, thanks. How are you? Lisa, hi there. Long time no see. Now your turn. Nice to see you too. Lisa, good evening. It's a pleasure to meet you. Now your turn. It's a pleasure to meet you too. Excellent. Listening quiz. Let's test your memory. I'll say a greeting, and you decide, is it formal or casual? Then answer it. Lisa, good afternoon. Now your turn, say formal and respond. Lisa, hey, what's up? Now your turn, say casual and respond. Lisa, how do you do? Now your turn, say formal and respond. Lisa, nice to see you. Now your turn, say casual and respond. Amazing. You passed the quiz. Review. Today we learned formal greetings and responses, casual greetings and responses, time of day greetings, how to sound natural and confident, how to mix them in conversation. Closing. Greetings are powerful. They are small, but they start conversations. This week, try using at least one new greeting each day. You will feel your English becoming more confident and more natural. In our next episode, we'll talk about your daily routine in English. You'll learn how to talk about what you do in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are unlocking your English, one word at a time. This is Lisa, and you've been listening to English Unlocked. Bye for now.